So here we go. I'm only taking a couple stitches out. So my ear was ripped from there. There was an earring right there, and ripped straight out the back, as you can see with the stitches. So I'm not going to take that out, but we are going to take the middle two out. Background on this story is that I was at work. I work in a warehouse. We have bay doors, and so I, like every morning, go to open the bay door. I open it with my bottom hand, push up. There's a rope that hangs from the center, so when it's up high at the end of the day, you can grab it and pull it down where you can't reach it, right? So I lift it, push it up like that, and then change my hands, and then shove it real quick. Well, this rope was all frayed. I had a different earring in, like this one, this big one, if you can't see it. It wasn't a circle like that, it was a horseshoe, it was open. So the frayed rope, as I shoved it real quick, flew behind my head, wrapped around my earring, and then literally ripped it right out, went a long way out, right out of my ear. And if you're going to ask in the comments, did it hurt? I will tell you now, yes, it freaking hurt. I don't care if it's your ear or not. Hurt a lot really quick. And then I was kind of like shocked for a minute, but like after that, it really didn't hurt at all. But like when it happened, yeah, it freaking hurt. And so then, my ear was split like Pac-Man, a little flappy flap, and I had to drive to the, ER, and it bled a lot. And, they put 4 stitches in the front, 4 in the back, and this video is about us taking them out. So maybe it can help you all. I was nervous about taking them out because I've never done it before. I've never had stitches. But didn't hurt at all, and yeah, get her done. So now you know about my Franken ear. See. Boom. Didn't hurt at all. So now that you all have seen my Franken ear, and there it is again in all its glory, I'll let you know why we haven't been posting anything for really the last 6 weeks or 5 weeks. We had Hurricane Milton, knocked the internet out for 2 weeks. Then I had all sorts of vehicle troubles and just life. So we will be posting a lot of stuff. I got a lot of footage, everything that I need to edit. So stay tuned, like, whatever, watch, and just stay tuned. See you soon. The Daryl and Tony Show signing off.
Go fuck yourself, San Diego.